Hey everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Zubia. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to deploy an EC2 instance using the AWS Management Console. No coding required, just a few clicks, and you'll have your own virtual server ready to go. Before we start, let me quickly explain EC2. Amazon EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, is a virtual server in the cloud. It's perfect for hosting websites, running applications, or experimenting with cloud technology. Now, let's get started. First, log into your AWS account at aws.amazon.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. It's free to get started with the AWS free tier. Once you're logged in, search for EC2 in the search bar at the top and click on it. Once you're logged in, search for EC2 in the search bar at the top and click on it. This will take you to the EC2 dashboard, where you can manage all your virtual servers. Now, let's launch an instance. 1. Click on Launch Instance. 2. Give your instance a name. I'll call mine Test Server. 3. Choose an Amazon machine image. Select the default Amazon Linux 2 AMI, which is free tier eligible. 4. Choose an instance type. For this demo, we'll stick with T2.micro since it's free tier eligible. Next, scroll down to Key Pair. If you already have a key pair, select it. If not, create a new one and download it. This is important for accessing your server later. Network settings. Ensure a new security group is created, and allow SSH, port 22. Optionally, allow HTTP and HTTPS if you're hosting a website. Storage, keep the default storage settings unless you need more space. Finally, click Launch Instance. And there you have it. Your EC2 instance is launching. To see your instance, click on View Instances. Here, you'll find details like the instance state, public IP address, and more. To connect, select your instance, click on Connect, and then choose the EC2 Instance Connect tab. Click on Connect, and voila, you're inside your server. You can now run commands directly on your virtual server. How cool is that? Today, we learned how to deploy an EC2 instance using the AWS Management Console. It's quick, simple, and powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Zubia for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.